This morning the Enlite sensors arrived. We've got 2 boxes and a big booklet. The booklet has some data on the sensor performance. There's only actually 2 pages that's in English and the rest is all in foreign languages. We've got the inserter box with instructions, again in different languages as well as English. You need to read through pretty much the whole lot. And then this is the inserter. Looks a bit like an egg cup. And then we have the box of sensors, again with instructions. There's 5 sensors in this box, each one individually wrapped, and a packet of over tapes, and we'll find out how to put those on soon.